Hello and welcome to my channel. Have you ever imagined as a project team or even as a project manager, how are you going to manage the uncertainty in the project? What is called risk management. Don't look elsewhere. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oscar Mbira. I'm a certified program and project manager. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of managing uncertainty in a project, which is called risk management. In project risk management process, there's a very specific definition of what is a risk. You don't need to mix up a risk and an outcome or effect of a risk. So let's dive in to really understand what we mean by this. Normally, a risk is defined with a cause, which means what is going to cause that risk, and also the effect, which is the actual outcome of the risk, and also the event, which is the actual risk. So the sequence is very simple. You start with the cause of the risk, the event, that is the risk that is actually going to happen, and then the effect. I've seen in my experience, there are some project managers who are not really good at defining a risk. If you ask them, what is the risk here? They will just tell you the project will be delayed. Normally, that's not a risk. That's an effect or an outcome of a risk. You should be able to describe the cause of the risk, what is going to happen, which is the event, and what is going to be the effect. For example, you're going to say, if I lose this key member, this specific deliverable is not going to be delivered on time. This specific deliverable is not going to be delivered under the right quality. So at the end of the day, the business or the customer you're working on is going to be unhappy. So that is the complete listing of a risk. What is the cause? You're going to lose a very important stuff. What is the event? Once that stuff is gone, the production of other project deliverables are going to go low quality. Then what is the implication? The customer or the end user is going to be unhappy. So as a project manager, you should be very clear on how to define what is a risk. A risk is not just an end statement. I've seen so many project managers making that mistake. It must have a cause, event, and effect. I hope you have enjoyed the video so far. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button so that you are the first person to be notified each time a new video is uploaded on this channel. It will also help this channel to produce more videos like this one. So I'm going to take you through how do you represent these three items. So the triangle, for example, is what is used to represent a cause. A cause might be linked to one risk or multiple risks that can be triggered by that cause. Even the effect, it might be one or more effects. So this is very, very important for you to master as a project manager. It's not always one-to-one, but sometimes it is one-to-one. You have one cause, you have one event, you have one effect. But what I've seen with my experience, in most cases, you have one cause, multiple events, and also multiple effects. So that is very important for you to know, especially during the risk workshop. You should be identifying the effects, you should be identifying the causes. If you want me to create more additional videos based on what we have gone through in terms of techniques, in terms of concepts, or you have got any specific clarifications or questions that you have, let me know in the comment section below.